Hi students, in previous video we already have learned about the different types of plants, but there are some plants which are different from herb, shrubs and trees. So these plants are called creepers and climbers. So how these creepers and climbers are different from herb, shrub and trees, that we are going to learn today. So today we'll first talk about the climbers. Okay. So what is mean by climbers? A plant having thin, long, big stem, which cannot stand upright but can take or but can climb up a neighboring support like fence or rope. It means that now see here, whatever the climbers are there, so these plants have big stem. Okay, these plants have big stem which cannot stand upright, like this. Why? Because the stem is very weak. But this plant stem can readily climb up a neighboring support. Means whatever the neighboring objects are there, so that these plants take the support of that objects and grow upward in direction. Okay, but to hold the neighborhood object, this plant has a special type of organ, and the name of that organ is tendril. Okay, you can highlight the word. What is the name of that organ? Tendril. And some climber plants have stem tendrils, whereas others have leaf tendrils. It means that some plants have the tendrils on their stem and some plants have the tendrils on leaf. Means with leaf only, that tendril also grow and take the support of neighboring object and roll the plants around that object or twist or wings. Okay. So the tendril of climber plants wind themselves around or roll around that object and grow upward in direction. So these plants specially require the support. Okay. And what is the main organ? Tendril is the main organ which is used to climb the object. Now next, what are the examples of this climber? So examples of, you can see the tendril part. I will show one more time here. You can see. So this is the green tendon. You can see. So this tendril is used to hold the object, and then further part grow upward in direction. So this is the weak stem. Okay, this stem you can see. This is the weak stem. Now next, what are the examples? So examples of climbers are pea plant, bitter gourd, then sweet gourd means meetha kaddu, then bottle gourd, that is lauki, grape vine and passion flower. These are the examples of climbers. Now we will talk about the creepers plants. Now same like a climber, these creeper plants also have weak long stem, but and this stem cannot stand upright again. But now see here, there is one difference in climbers and creepers. Both plants have long, thin, big stem. Okay, but in climbers a special organ is there, that is the tendril. But that tendril part is absent in creeper plants. That is why these creepers plant cannot grow upward by taking support of neighborhood. So these plants specially grow on the ground or they spread the branches on the ground. Okay. So I will show you. Do you know the example, that is the money plant? So money plant is a creeper plant. Okay, student. So you can see here, a creeper grows along the ground or other surface other surface. The two important creepers are, first one strawberry plant and second one the money plant. These are the two plants. Okay, these are the two plants are included in the creepers. Okay, which one? Strawberry plant and money plant. Okay, students. If a creeper plant is to be grown like a climber plant, if creeper plant is there and if that plant you have to grow like a climber plant, then what to do? So you need to tie the top end of that plant. Which plant? Creeper plant, and you have to tie with the help of string, and another end of the string you have to fix at the height. So in that way, if you tie the plant, so that creeper plant also can grow like a climber plant by taking the support of string. The best example is money plant. Okay, so money plant, have you seen the money plant at home? If it is not available your home, you can go to others and you can see just. Okay, so you will understand better. For example, the money plant can be made grown up by tying a string, and then that plant grow like a climbers. Okay. So only one difference is there between the climbers and creeper. The climber plants have climbing organ, that is tendrils on their stem or leaves. But creeper plants have no such climbing organ. So this is the one difference between the creepers and climbers. If somebody asks you what is the difference between creepers and climber, so you can write down this point which is already highlighted. Okay. So one example is given here, sample problem. Classify the following as herb, shrubs and trees. So here the list of plants is given, and through this, so you have to read this plant and you can classify into the three groups. So jasmine, rose, palm, mustard, radish, neem, mango, sunflower, tulsi. So classify these plants into three groups. So first we can make herb group, shrubs and trees. So whose height is less than 1 meter. So all they are herb. So mustard, radish, sunflower. These all plants are herbs. Shrubs, jasmine, rose, tulsi. These plants are shrubs. And trees, those are called palm, neem and mango. So I hope you understood today the difference between creepers and climbers. So in next video we will talk about the parts of plant.